Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's Grab the Web. I'm Asad Ali, and in this video I'll tell you how you can install Anaconda Navigator in your computer, and I'll also tell you how you can set up Jupyter Notebook and how you can write Python codes in Jupyter Notebook as well. So let's start. Before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe the video and subscribe the channel, of course. So let's start. First of all, let's download Anaconda Navigator from its website. Just open your browser and search for Anaconda Navigator and just type download at the end of it. Okay, it will just open first search result. It's probably anaconda.com official website. Once you do that, it will simply show you the individual edition. If you're downloading Anaconda Navigator for personal use and you don't want to pay for that, so download the Windows version. For Windows, Anaconda individual edition for Windows. Once you click on that, it will open this pop-up. You don't need to do anything with it, just close it and it will start the download. Okay, let's wait a little while. Once it is downloaded, so once it's downloaded, you will see a download. Let me go to downloads file. Okay, once it's downloaded, you will see something like this in your download section, and you just need to double click this one and it will open setup file for you. Okay, as you can see that it is just standard procedure that it is asking me to follow along. Just agree, click on agree, and let it be just me. If you want to change that, that's fine, but it's preferred that you keep it in your default directory. Click next, and you can add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variables, which itself tells you that it is not recommended because you have a terminal of its own, so you don't need to add this to the path. Just keep it in register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9, and now click install. It will quickly unpack all the files and install Anaconda Navigator in your computer. Anaconda Navigator was already installed in my system, so I'll just pause the download that is going on. So alright, it's almost done. You can click on details and see all the files that are being installed in your computer. Okay, now you can see that it's complete and next button is active, so let's click on next, and we have Anaconda Navigator installed in our computer. Okay, let's click on finish, and we are good to go. Now that Anaconda Navigator is installed in our computer, you can simply search Anaconda and it will show up in your search bar. Okay, just open some guide in my Chrome. We don't need that. So the next thing is I'll tell you how you can use Jupyter Notebook, and let's start. If you want to there are two ways to use Jupyter Notebook. Either you open Jupyter Notebook by first opening Anaconda Navigator. Just search Anaconda in your search bar and it will show a couple of options. Just click on Anaconda Navigator. Wait a little while and it will load Anaconda Navigator and all the text editors and Jupyter Notebook and all the applications that we can use within this navigator. Okay, you can see that we have all the editors here. Like I like to use Spider sometimes, and Jupyter Notebook is also here. All you need to do is just click on launch and it will simply start Anaconda Jupyter Notebook or Spider for you. Okay, so either you click on this one and it will launch an Jupyter Notebook for you, or you can simply close this Anaconda Navigator. Okay, the easier way, there is an easier alternative for that. Instead of opening the Navigator and waiting for it to load and then launching Jupyter Notebook, you can simply just type Jupyter Notebook here and it will show as an app. Once you click on that, it will open a terminal and Jupyter Notebook will start in your default browser. So now you can see that I have Jupyter Notebook and it's running on local host. So it's open here. If you prefer, you can copy this link and open your Chrome or any other browser. Just paste. Beg your pardon. You have this link. You can either open this. Just right click on it and paste it here and press enter, and you will see that it will open on any other browser. If you prefer to use Google Chrome or Opera or any other browser, you can simply copy the local host and this link and paste it any other browser. It will open in that. So let's start a simple notebook script to show you how you can start coding in Jupyter Notebook. So to do that, simply go to any directory where you want to create a Python file. I'll create a folder on desktop and show you how you can start a Python script. Click on new, click on folder, and it will create a folder here. Or you can rename this by clicking on check button and click on rename, and you can just type anything here. Okay, I have created tutorial folder, and now once I open that, I can click on new and click on Python 3. It will create a separate script of Python in that directory. Okay, now we have this, and just code anything you like. If you are interested in learning web scraping, you can follow my tutorials on this channel, and you can learn Python web scraping following those tutorials. Let's just print hello world. Click on run and it will print that. So this is simplest way to install and use Python, learn Python and Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda Navigator. If you have any questions regarding that, you can simply ask me in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to like the video as well. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.